Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelvin Johnson. In this video, I'll be showing you how to actually configure TeamViewer to receive insider build if a new release of TeamViewer is released by TeamViewer. So let's say, for example, if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, definitely you've heard of the insider build. So if an insider build is actually a review of how TeamViewer is going to look like in the future, but mind you, that is actually not the official TeamViewer or the official Windows. For example, I'm just giving an example of a Windows operating system. So if you sign up for the TeamViewer Insider Build, let me just go to the options of TeamViewer. So here you can see it says receive insider build. So if I click here, you can see get new TeamViewer update earlier and support us with your feedback. So by actually checking the receive insider build and then click OK, automatically your device, your version of TeamViewer is up to date. There's no new version of TeamViewer. Of course, it's going to tell you that. But if I go back again, let me just go back again. So automatically in the future, you're going to actually receive the insider build of TeamViewer. So if there's any new build or any new release, for example, TeamViewer 16 or TeamViewer 17, you'll be the first to get TeamViewer. And if there's any feedback you want to provide to TeamViewer, you'll be able to provide that feedback to TeamViewer. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. Bye.